Here's a 2011 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It comes with great features you'll love. Front and rear camera parking sensors. Refrigerated box located in the glove box. Front heated leather bucket seats. External memory control. Ecotech engine. Dual zone climate control. Memory exterior door mirror settings. AM/FM XM satellite radio. First and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Gas pressurized shocks. And automatic transmission. The Truth About Cars observes, the original severe form has been softened to add some conventional beauty to the mix, but it's still bolder than the competition and distinctively Cadillac. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.